Days up to this trip, I felt the anxiety. This is the first time I'm traveling alone. But here we are. Come with me as I go to Osaka, first time as a solo traveler. So I ordered this cheese roll from Cebu Pacific. This is not in their menu, but you could actually ask from the flight stewardess if this is available. So we are riding the train going to another building where the customs and immigrations are at. It reads, "Welcome to Kansai. Yay, we're here, finally here." Fill out your details online through Japan Web and then save the QR code. It would be so much faster at the immigration because you just scan through the machines with your QR code. Yay, I found my hotel. We are booked at Dynasty Hotel and finally nakita ko na siya. I already found my hotel. I've been worried mula sa airport na hindi ko mahanap yung hotel because I don't have an internet connection here. Pero yun, nakita ko yung hotel. Let's do this. So yan yung hotel. Oh Lord, thank you so much. Yay, ang dami nilang pa-freebies dito. May pati, coffee, yung toiletries. What it's called? Free rental pajamas. I brought pajamas. Free rental pajamas at the front desk. Oh, okay. Oh, it's free, so I could take. Yeah. I'm right in front of the elevator going to my room and ang ganda ng kanilang mga interior decor. See that? Ang ganda lang. 7th floor. They have free space at the 2nd floor. This is a good hotel. Wonderful. 1. My room is 701. Welcome, welcome. So let's have a room tour. Upon coming in, you have a mirror, full-length mirror, foot until there. And then you've got a bed. I requested for a big bed, a queen-size bed. And then you have a kettle on top, you have refrigerator, and some cups for your tea, I guess, because they give out tea bags at the reception. Then you have a small desk over here. Then we have a TV and amazing Japanese. You have a shoe polisher over here. They also have slippers. There you go. And they have a alarm clock over here. They have an alarm clock over here. And the good receptionist gave me a free pajama there. It's free. They're renting it out, lending it out for free. Tapos, CR. Oh, you have a small bathtub with complete toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. You have a hair dryer, face and hand foam, and then the famous Japanese toilet. Oh, this is good. That's me. Hello. And you have towels over here. Toilet paper. There's an aircon over there. And I don't know what this is. Let's find out later. Overall, it's a small room, but it's decent. And I think this is affordable. I got this for 7,000 plus for 4 nights already. If you're sharing it with another person, so that's less than 500 per day, per person, if you are sharing this, because this is good for 2 people. But because I'm doing this alone, this trip is a solo, so my rate is actually 1,000, almost 2,000 per day. But it's good for Japan rates. So it's already past 10 p.m. and I haven't had dinner. So I asked the receptionist kung saan merong decent na kainan around. Ito yung tinuro nila. Right across the hotel is a fast food chain. And so dito tayo for tonight. English. So I ordered beef bowl or gyudon. So that's it for our dinner. I'm so tired and hungry. But so far we're surviving our solo trip. Okay. Thank you so much, Tom. Kaunta. And miso soup.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, too much, 'cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love, just a phase. Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, too much, 'cause I think that I've been far